Very good evening. Today we are going to discuss about there are few topics related to the allied zoology subject. So here I have just given my data regarding how to search those details if it is available on the desktop and how we have to take up those notes for their exam preparation. So let me take up few topics which will be browsing through the for the allied subjects here. So you can see that I have prepared few notes related in case of the PDF format. So here the first topic over here is structure of the prokaryotic as well as the bacterial cell. Okay, so as we have discussed in the lower classes itself, like each and every organism, it is made up of a cell. So cell basically acting as a structural and functional unit of each and every living organism. So here you can see this cell, there are two different types we have. One we call it as a prokaryotic, the other one we call it as an eukaryotic here. Being the name clearly given, prokaryote stands for here it stands for the primitive or the first formed, wherein the nucleus which is completely absence of the membrane. So you can see the picture which is depicting here, it is a prokaryotic cell. So you can find here, so this cell which is holding a nucleus structure, but unfortunately it is not covered with any membrane. So that is what an organism without the nuclear structure, I mean nuclear material, so that type of cell we call it as a prokaryotic cell. Okay, so we call that particular nucleus as a nucleoid structure. Okay, so this prokaryotic cell, we give an example as the bacterial cell. All the bacteria, they come under the prokaryotic category. Okay, so this if you just look it into the prokaryotic cell feature, you can see that it has different shaped cells in which internally they have a cytoplasm. Cytoplasmic content will be there. In that cytoplasm, they have few cell organelle, particularly being the prokaryotic cell, they are holding only non-membrane bounded cell organelle. So you can see that non-membrane bounded cell organelle being the ribosomes alone. Okay, so other structures like what we call it as the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, those things are absent because this is a prokaryotic cell in which the membrane bounded cell organelle is absent. That is what it is lacking, the membrane bounded cell organelle. Here we have been mentioned. Okay, and one more important thing is, as the prokaryotic cell, they have a ribosomes. Even the eukaryotic cell too have the ribosomes, but the size of the ribosome here it differs. You can see in the prokaryotic cell, the size of the ribosome is 70s. 70s means they have two subunits. Smaller subunit is holding 30s, and the larger subunit is holding 50s size. Okay, so now let us see what do you mean by eukaryotic cell. Being the name clearly state, U stands for the true. U here it stands for true. Carrion here refers to a nuclear structure. Okay, so you can see that here they have a nucleus which is covered by means of a nuclear membrane, whereas earlier which we discussed in prokaryotic, there the nuclear membrane was absent. Okay, so that is the reason here it is called as a true nuclear structure, or the true nucleus is present. So very common example, we can start up with the protistans. Even we have fungi, plant, animal, everything it is related to the eukaryotic cell. Being it is a zoology as a major subject, so I have given an example here as what, that is the animal cell. So let us see one more important thing. When you want to differentiate whether it is a prokaryotic cell or it is a eukaryotic cell, what are the various features, what are the various basic things are there in which the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells can differ. So you can see the first and foremost feature here it have been mentioned, it is the size of the cell. So you can find that the size of the cell prokaryote here is 1 to 5 micrometer, whereas in case of eukaryotic cell 10 to 100 micrometer. Whereas in case of nuclear character, if you see, so here the prokaryote, as I have mentioned earlier, they don't have a true nucleus. So that means they have a nucleoid structure, whereas eukaryotic cell, being the name itself clearly defines, it is a true nuclear structure. Then coming towards the DNA pattern, here in prokaryote they have a circular DNA, that too they lacking the protein content, whereas eukaryotic cell they have linear DNA with protein content. We call it as a histone protein. As I told you, the RNA which is present in case of the prokaryote is 70s, whereas RNA present in the eukaryote is that is that is 80s. Okay, so they have a smaller subunit 30 years and larger subunit 50 years in prokaryote, whereas in eukaryote they have a smaller segment or subunit is 40 years and the largest subunit is 60 years. And coming towards the next one, once if you see the cell organelles, as I told you, the membrane bounded cell organelles are absent, like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi, all those things are absent from the prokaryotic cell, whereas eukaryotic cell, all those structures are present. So in addition to that, when you check the cellular movement, there is a cell movement using the flagella, the prokaryotic cell can move, whereas in case of eukaryotic cell, flagella and cilia both are utilizing for the locomotory activity. Coming towards the next one, cellular organization, prokaryotic cell always they are being unicellular, whereas when you see the eukaryotic cell, we have few unicellular eukaryotes, like for example if you take the protistans, for example if you take an amoeba, you take a protozoa, I mean in case of plasmodium, all these things are eukaryote but they are unicellular. In addition to that, we have colonial type. At the same time, we also have multicellular. For example, if you take a fungi except the yeast, and similarly plant and animal, all those things they are many-cellular. That means multicellular in nature. Coming towards the next one, that is a cell division. In prokaryote, the cell division type is binary fission, whereas in eukaryote we call the mitosis and meiosis. That is one, it is called as, that is a equational division, which is a mitosis. Another one is reduction division, which is a meiosis. This will occur in all over the body, all over the cells, whereas meiosis will be restricted only to the reproductive cells. Okay, so I have mentioned here a few examples like archaebacteria, eubacteria for the prokaryotic cell, whereas from the protistans like fungi, plants, animals, all those things it will come under eukaryotic cell. Okay, so this complete PDF, it is holding the various cell organelle, their structure, their function and all those things. When we browse towards that, it will go in detail. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.